$1.50 beef noodle soup at a small market in Mondulkiri. Simple, honest, and incredibly tasty. Today, we follow the morning routine of a local vendor who brings comfort in a bowl to her community. Welcome to Sen Monorom Morning Market. If you love Cambodian street food and local market life, make sure to subscribe. New vlogs every week. Morning here is lively. Farmers and ethnic minority families arrive with vegetables picked from their farms and nearby forests. Prices are fair, bargaining is friendly, and everyone knows each other. Amid the baskets and steam, one sound returns every day, the rattle of a three-wheel tuk-tuk. That sound means breakfast is here. This is our beef noodle soup vendor. Every morning she drives her tuk-tuk to this corner, sets up a tiny kitchen, and serves regulars who've eaten her soup for years. It's my first time trying her noodles. People tell me, don't let the simple setup fool you, the flavor speaks for itself. The kitchen is compact. A pot of long-simmered beef broth, baskets of noodles, herbs, chili, and lime. It's open-air street cooking. What matters most to locals is taste, warmth, and price. This bowl is affordable, fast, and filling. Breakfast made for market workers, farmers, and shoppers who start their day early. Let's look inside the pot. The broth starts with beef bones and shank, simmered with onion, garlic, ginger, toasted spices, and a touch of palm sugar. The result is a clean, savory base with gentle sweetness. She offers noodle choices: kui teav rice noodles, yellow egg noodles, mi sua, lot flat noodles, and banh. Each one changes the texture and the way the broth clings. On the side, crisp bean sprouts, sawtooth herb, spring onion, chili, and lime. Add what you like. This is your bowl your way. Watch the rhythm. Noodles in, quick blanch, bowl warms with steam. A scoop of tender beef, then a generous pour of broth. A swirl of oil on the surface catches the light. Some regulars eat in silence, others chat and laugh. For many, this bowl is part of a morning routine, like a warm greeting from a friend. My first spoonful. The broth is clear but deep, savory, lightly sweet, with a soft aroma of toasted spice. The beef is tender. The noodles are bouncy but not heavy. I like it with a squeeze of lime and a small spoon of chili. If you prefer a stronger broth, ask for a little extra from the bottom of the pot. Locals know this trick. All of this for only $1.50 per bowl. You can choose noodles, kui teav, egg noodles, mi sua, lot, banh, or even mix two types. Simple, flexible, affordable. It's no surprise that vendors and minority families who sell greens nearby come here for breakfast. A warm bowl before a long day makes all the difference. Street food in Cambodia is more than a quick meal. It's connection. It keeps traditions alive. Broths learned from parents, noodles made from local rice flour, recipes shaped by memory and practice. Places like this remind me that good food doesn't need a fancy setting. It needs care, time, and a community that shows up. If you visit Mondulkiri, come early. Between 6 and 9 a.m. is best. Bring small cash. Be patient with the morning rush. And don't be shy to customize your bowl. Try at least 2 noodle types during your trip, and if you like spice, ask for fresh chili. The vendor will smile and load you up.
Sợ mấy anh vụ ai sáng anh lưỡi ai lưỡi
ông nhưng mà do bà hạt đôi vô sạch mà nữa. Cái nó xanh tròn mày.
Vô tập lại sốt đi. Vô sụp sốt đi. Bây giờ cái đó sẽ chân mà vô tập lại sụp sốt.
Ơi mồi trên nó đã trơn
Tròn với ai lùng luôn được ơi lắm á. Ai đang bắt luôn ai lúc lạ đi.
Ơi nó chân tiêu tí quá.
Hai đại trong là hai bỏ à?
Không ăn đấy. Không. Đặt bắt nhanh nó đó.
Ở đây mình không ăn vô sụp sốt lại.
Ôi đặt được ao đâu sang mấy tay.
Ai ơi cho nó nè. Ôm tay cho chạm.
Miên khoai đặt ra nó có đấy. Thế miên cọp miên ấy đã.
Miên.
Thật đi không? Tập tiếng trơn tính không? Ha, thèm con ơi ạ.
Một mùi con cha, làm thèm con đi. Một cao.
Thằng ngàn út chết phí.
Mà còn chưa xong một hai nữa. Rồi, thế mình
Bi đánh thêm á. Cha này em vô xanh 7 con món á. Cái giờ đặt cho cục từng ống 7 con món á. Vô lẽ. Anh nó cũng mua anh em vậy mà. Tại nhưng mà sờn. Này, đặt phải sờn.
ăn vô hạt đá.
Ở đây.
Ăn vô hạt phí không?
Này.
Ở số 2 mình.
Số 2.
Số lấy hả?
Vô lại.
Xanh mà cái nói.
Ăn được hạt hồng. Rồi thêm phải ở tiết. Phải cho khổ thân.
Thank you for sharing this morning with me at Sen Monorom Market. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Next week, I'll bring you another taste of Cambodian street food from Mondulkiri.